Unlocking success, understanding the digital marketing lead magnet. In the realm of digital marketing, a lead magnet is a powerful tool designed to attract potential customers, enticing them to engage with your brand and ultimately become loyal patrons. But what exactly is a digital marketing lead magnet, and how can it supercharge your email campaigns? Simply put, a lead magnet is an irresistible offer or incentive that businesses provide in exchange for a prospect's contact information, typically their email address. This could take the form of a free ebook, a downloadable template, access to an exclusive webinar, or even a discount code for their first purchase. The key to creating an effective lead magnet lies in its relevance and value to your target audience. It should address a specific pain point or solve a pressing problem they're facing, positioning your brand as a trusted authority in your industry. By offering something of genuine value, you not only capture their attention, but also begin to build a relationship based on trust and reciprocity. One popular type of lead magnet in the digital marketing world is the email opt-in offer. This could be a content upgrade related to a blog post, a free trial of your product or service, or a special offer exclusive to subscribers. By leveraging email opt-ins, you not only grow your email list but also nurture leads over time, guiding them through the buyer's journey and ultimately converting them into paying customers. When creating your digital marketing lead magnet, it's essential to consider the journey your audience is on and tailor your offer accordingly. Conduct research to understand their pain points, preferences, and aspirations, and use this insight to craft a lead magnet that resonates deeply with them. Remember, the goal of a lead magnet isn't just to collect email addresses, but to initiate a meaningful conversation with your audience, laying the groundwork for long-term relationships and sustained business growth.